depend on the adults to show them what they can eat. Luckily, ostriches aren't choosy. They'll eat grass, seeds, and insects. It's clear that becoming a fully fledged ostrich requires a lot of learning, and the kindergarten class is on its way to the next lesson. Here, the adults demonstrate how to bathe without water. Sand baths are important because they keep the feathers fluffy and the skin free of parasites. The little ones eagerly imitate their father, and that's a good thing, because their plumage needs to be kept soft. Ostrich feathers don't adhere to each other like those of flying birds. Instead, they're fluffy and serve another important function. By ruffling its freaky feathers, the ostrich can cool its skin, even in the heat of the desert. But the desert winds are bringing a change. After months of drought, it's finally raining. For the ostrich family, the rain is a blessing. The water turns the desert green. The little ones now have food in abundance, but that's not all. After drinking their fill, it's time for their first real bath. These little chicks will become the next generation of giant birds in Namibia.